Hi students, it's Tara. So I'm running a chromatography sheet here. As you can see, I set up all the pure substances. They're probably dissolved in water, but they should be very concentrated. Food dyes, FD&C approved, and all of the colors in our food should come from some combination of these and a green one that you didn't get for some reason. My blue, number 2, does not look blue at all. Perhaps you saw the same thing. Doesn't look very blue to me. So you're going to put little spots of those and of your unknown and of some food colorings, and then you're going to put some like candy coating. When you use the unknown or the food colorings, right, you just want a tiny little dot because they're very concentrated, whereas when you have the candy coatings, you need to get enough of a spot so that they're vibrant, but you do want it still to be small. So I didn't do the best job ever over here on my green nerds and my teal gingerbread candy. Those really spread out really far, and this is really interesting. The purple gingerbread candy, you can already tell that there's a difference in the color's solubility, which is really what we're going to be testing. So try to avoid doing what I did there. Even though I'm supposed to be the expert here, I just tried to press right in the center of each of those lines and have a little spot. Just have more patience than I did and do a small spot, let it dry, do another small spot again until you get a good vibrant spot, because ideally you would have as much saturation as those so that when it spreads out you can see the color. So that's something to focus on. So I'm just going to roll this up in a circle into a little column and staple it and set it in some salt water and see what happens. I already did a run with my kids, and as you can see, when we pulled it out, there was a solvent line and then the solvent ran a little bit further. So make sure that you draw your final solvent line. Even though when you first pull it out, you should draw it before it dries, but it probably will move a little bit more. So that's what we saw in our first run together. And I'm going to try this run and hopefully it'll turn out better. Okay.